So today I want to go over what I'm doing next. So y'all saw me walk door to door, going prospecting, looking for buildings, right? I walked away with a bunch of cards. I got these cards right here. All right, now what I'm going to do is follow up with an email because now I got the point of contact's direct email address. I know the name. So instead of calling them, I'm going to go to email them first, and then after that, I'm going to follow up with a call later if I can't get them through the email. All right. So here's my email template. Very simple. I literally just typed it up right now. And so what I'm going to do is copy and paste this email over here in my Gmail right here. Let me open this up. So I'm going to copy and paste that email template over to my Gmail right there, right over here. And then I might tweak it a little bit depending on who I'm emailing, because some people I had different interactions with than others. So here's what I got. So here's my follow-up email template, y'all. So it says, hi POC, that's a point of contact. I dropped by your office the other day, but I wasn't able to catch you. I'll be in your area. Now, again, if I was able to catch the person, but they just didn't have time because I had a situation like that, then I'll just tweak that, all right? But it says, I'll be in your area again this week and next week. Can I provide you with an estimate for cleaning service? It's completely free and there's no obligation. I just need to come by the office to take some quick measurements of the areas that you would like cleaned. It shouldn't take more than 15 to 30 minutes. All right, then it's going to come down and say, we just want to make sure that you're still receiving the most competitive rates in the market, and also give you a chance to upgrade your service, because we know how companies can be very dismal with their cleaning and customer service in this industry. I look forward to meeting with you soon. Thank you. And then I'll put my salutations, AJ Simmons, Managing Director, or whatever title I want to have, Clean Biz Network, phone number, and all of that type of stuff. All right. So I already copied it, I already pasted it over here. So here's my email to the first person right here. And you notice that I tweaked it a little bit because this person I actually did have a chance to talk to. So I dropped by your office last week, but you didn't have time to walk through the facility at that moment. I'll be in your area again this week and next week. Can we schedule a quick meeting to provide you with a pricing estimate for cleaning services at your two facilities? Because this lady told me she had two, a 30,000 square foot, and I think she said 12,000. So I'm gonna try to get them both. It's completely free and there's no obligation to, and I should add, to receive the estimate. Yes, I spelled receive wrong, but that's why it's so good that we got spell check. Alright. I just need to come by the offices to take some quick measurements of the areas you would like to clean. It shouldn't take more than 15 to 30 minutes per building, if that. We just want to make sure that you are still receiving the most competitive rates in the market, and also give you a chance to upgrade your service, because we know how most companies can be very dismal with their cleaning and customer service in this industry. I look forward to being with you soon. Thank you, AJ Simmons, blah, 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 blah. So that's going to be what I send to this person right here. And I'm just going to repeat this process for the other prospects that I got when I was out going door to door. All right, so in this one right here, I'm doing another follow-up from one of the buildings that I did I was walking around passing on my business cards, right? So I'm doing another follow-up email. It's kind of a cold email because this person right here I didn't actually get to meet. I met the front desk staff, and then there was a guy talking to her. It looked like he might have been a manager or something, but he went and got me this person's number, who they said was the actual point of contact that was in charge of hiring the cleaning company, right? So since I didn't get to meet her, I'm going to change this around. But one thing I really wanted to show you is, so what do you put in the title of the email, right? Because this person we didn't meet. The last one I did, I just went ahead and put what it was, cleaning service quote, blah, 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 because I already spoke to that person directly. They know that I'm supposed to be hitting them up, so they expecting that. This person right here, I didn't have a chance to meet. She's not expecting me, even though I got her contact and all of that, and I spoke to her people at the front desk. So I want to show you how I would kind of tailor that so that way I can get through to her. So the first thing I'm going to put in the title is a follow-up from last week. She has no idea what we're following up about, right? She's at work and she probably got a million things going on, so it's like, shit, what do I got to follow up about, right? So I'm going to put follow-up from last week as the title, and then I'm going to put hi Samantha. I'm calling her by name, so now she know, oh shit, they know exactly who they talking to. All right. Hi Samantha, I dropped by your office the other day, but I wasn't able to catch you. And I'm going to change, let's see what we got here. I'm going to add something. I'm going to say, but the staff there was able to provide me with your info. And I'll just leave it that simple. I'll be in your area this week and next week. Can I provide you with a, let me see, I'll change that too. I'd love to come by and, alright, so we'll put, so I love to come by and provide you with the estimate for cleaning service. Change that to a period. It's completely free and there's no obligation. I just need to come by the office to take some quick measurements of the areas that you would like clean. It shouldn't take more than 15 to 30 minutes. We just want to make sure that you're still receiving the most competitive rates in the market and also give you a chance to upgrade your service, because we know how most companies can be very dismal with their cleaning and customer service in this industry. I look forward to meeting with you soon. Thank you, AJ Simmons, Managing Director, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to take my website off because my website really isn't conducive to cleaning right now. So we got to update that we offer cleaning services now, because really I was just doing this for y'all. I wasn't planning on offering cleaning services, but when I came across these ideas, these opportunities, I'm like, you know what? Why not? I won't be cleaning it anyway, right? I'll put somebody in there to do it. So go ahead and add my phone number there, and then we're going to roll. So that's how I'm going to follow up on this one when I didn't get a chance to speak with the person.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.